Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to test MAILGUN. All right. So first up, using API, and the second one is using SMTP. So go ahead and go to send. Right here, go to domains. Now you can go ahead and click on your domain. Okay. Now in here, we have under setup, and these tabs we have set up. Go ahead and click on API, select it, scroll down, and then you can go ahead and use these codes for testing. Okay. Just go ahead and copy it, paste it to your development environment. Okay. We have that in here, like Node, Java, a C#, Python, or Ruby. Copy and paste it. Just wait for it to load, and once done, you're good to go. We have SMTP here as well. Click on it. You can go ahead and integrate it to your app directly by just copying it. Or you can go ahead and use gmass.co/SMTP test. All right. Just go ahead and type down your SMTP server right here. For example, your site. Okay. Or you can go ahead and use, go to SMTP credentials right here. Use this one. The port may be, we have these available ports, the same as here. As you can see, same numbers. For example, I'm going to be using 587 right here. Security, we have auto non-SSL TIs. Okay, just go ahead on none. Type down your username, for example, made for money. Password, like so. If you don't have your user right here, just gotta click on the blue button. That will require you to add in your username or unique name and the password. Okay, this one I already created. That's why I put made for money and a password right here. So from email address, just going to be using this one or even this one, like so. To email, maybe my name. Then you can go ahead and hit on test. Okay, put your website right here so you won't be able to get any errors. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.